Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. So I have not only a new subscription to my channel, but a new subscription that's out there. I know, right? It's tough to find a new subscription. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you'll like this video enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up. And if you're returning, thank you so much for your loyalty, and I hope you'll like my new subscription. Now, this is called Matchbox, and it's from a current YouTuber, which is totally awesome. I love when YouTubers start to branch out and create their own boxes. And this is from Ann MUA. She does have a channel. I will link it below. And she does pretty much strictly makeup. She'll throw in a few other boxes in there, but mostly she does makeup unboxings and she'll do makeup looks. Oh my God, her makeup looks are just off the charts. I mean, I try to watch her and keep up with her, but I can't. And she came out with a subscription. I guess it's a bag. And she does a questionnaire because she's like, you know, a lot of people don't like getting makeup sponges in their 5 full-size items. And that's what this bag is. It's 5 full-size items. And she's like, a lot of people don't want to get mascaras in their box. So if you don't want a mascara in your box, let her know. So she does this nice personalized checklist. So every time you order from her, you won't get these items if you don't want them, which I think is fantastic. Because I don't want mascaras and I don't want makeup brushes as my full-size item. So let's see what's in here. Oh, and this is $25. And then it's a $5 shipping. So it's the same price as you would pay for like a BoxyCharm or an Ipsy. And I cut it open. So how are your days going? I'm trying to get so much stuff done that I'm just blah, 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 blah. And you know, I have my coffee thing going. So I just want to make sure there's nothing. And she packages it like in 2 bags, so it's packaged really, really nice. And I ordered this, and I think she shipped it that night. I mean, that's how quick the shipping was. And my card. And again, she is just so sweet. And a little thank you card. Ooh. And she's like, "Dear Robin, thanks for your order. I look forward to getting to know you. I hope you enjoy, Karen." And then we have, oh, now Karen, you know I can't read. So hold on one second. And it says, "Keep for end of container year giveaway." Okay, oh. There's a coupon, so I have a chance to win something. And I will enjoy that, especially if I win. So this is how it comes wrapped in bubble wrap. And as I said, I answered with, I don't want makeup sponges. I don't want mascaras. You can have a choice of like if you want face products, if you want lip products, if you want a combination of both, if you want skincare products. So that part was really, really nice. Sorry. She did wrap this excellent. And her looks, I mean, she uses, I want to say like designer makeup brands. She'll use a more inexpensive makeup brand. She'll compare foundations. She compares mascara. She does it all. Okay, I think I'm getting to this, and I don't see a list of what's in here, but we'll figure it out together. So the first thing I see is this like pin cushion. Doesn't that look like a pin cushion? And she taped it so that nothing would open. I think her experience from getting a ton of subscription boxes is she knows the do's and don'ts. And I got this cool, oh, there goes a sponge. I wanted to show you the cool little pickup pad. This thing is just so protected. And I think this is a foundation. Can you see that? I am going to, oh my God, it's like touching a pillow. It is just so bouncy. And let me close this all up. And can you see that? And of course you give her what skin tone you have. And it goes on smooth. Probably would be better with a brush or a sponge. But that's the creaminess of it. Oh, that looks nice. And see the glow on it? Wow. So that's a foundation, and I have never seen that before. And the next item is this cute little bag with eyelashes on it. Isn't that adorable? And we have some items in here, and I'm hoping it's what I think it is. We have the Creative, and I think this might be a lippy. And of course, I'm box challenged, so forgive me. Can't get it open, but look at that packaging. And I'm just hoping the lip color is in this color. And it is. But look at the color. I'm going to swatch this because I have a feeling it's not as dark as it looks. But then again, I'm wrong. But I think if you put something over it, a gloss or an oil, but it is a beautiful color. So I'm gonna try working with that. And then the other thing in this cute little bag is this lip oil. And if I'm right, this lip oil will turn your lip color. And I already have lipstick on because I filmed another video. And so I'll let you know when I'm wearing it, but when you put this on, it will turn your lip a different color after wearing it for like a minute or two. So I'm really excited about that. And again, we're supposed to get 5 items, so we got 1, 2, 3. And now I need my scissors. So what do you think of this so far? And have you watched Karen? Have any of you watched Karen? She, as I said, she's just a sweetheart. Hey, I'm back. I just wanted to open these last couple things. And this, look at this beautiful thing. It looks like a blush and a highlighter. And let's see if I can open it. I thought I took all the packaging off of it. Okay, I'm back. I took all the packaging off the last 2 items. And this, oh my God. Look at how beautiful this is. It looks like a blush and a highlighter. And of course, I'm gonna keep it. So I'm just gonna swatch. Oh, it's got like this nice powdery smell to it. So let's see if I have any room. And I've been getting a lot of blush and highlighters in my boxes, and I'm so enjoying it. So these are the colors. There's the highlighter, and there's the blush. And look at the packaging. I don't know if you can see the detail, but that is absolutely gorgeous. And I'm not sure if I can see who this is by. I'll try to put it, when I post the video, I'll try to put the name so it goes across the screen. And then our last thing looks like a palette. Coast is Clear. How cute, what a cute name. And it is a palette. I just have a whole pile of stuff right here now. Oh, and it's by ColourPop. And ColourPop, you know, I would say this palette is at least probably $20 or so. So definitely the price of the box. Look at that palette. I'm loving this bottom row. And even like over here, what a beautiful palette. I'm not gonna swatch these. I don't think I have any room left on my arm. But this is a gorgeous palette. So let's just recap what I paid $25 plus shipping. I got this beautiful ColourPop, and I'm loving that. My second item was this beautiful blush and highlighter, which I'm loving that. The third and fourth item were this lip oil and this lip color, which you can see there. And I'll let you know when I try the lip oil. And then our fifth was this foundation. And I can't wait to try this. So when I do my next video, I will use all the products from here. And the foundation, it just, I don't know if you can see it, but it went on super smooth. So I just have to see what the coverage is like. But I liked everything in the box. So kudos to Karen. Please check her out. And if you're interested, I'm not sure how many boxes she has left, but she will customize it to whatever your skin, whatever your preference is. And thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe and like. And you guys have an awesome day.